In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get mythical fruit in Blox Fruits First C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire mythical fruits. So, to do this, the most straightforward way is going to be to purchase them from the Blox Fruits dealer. As you can see, you can find him behind this big house on the middle town. So, you can also find them on other islands, but for this video, this is the location that I want to showcase. So all that you have to do is find the Blox Fruit dealer in the first sea and interact with him. I search the world for Blox Fruits. When I find one, I will put it in stock here at my shop for you to buy. So all that you have to do is go ahead and click continue. You will be able to browse through all of the fruits. As you can see, there are a lot, and you will be able to find mythical fruits in here. You will notice that the mythical fruits are going to be way more expensive, so keep that in mind, and you can always click view or gift. So usually they are going to be in stock as soon as he spawns. People will purchase out the stock and then everything will be out of stock, so you have to be quick. I recommend looking at this timer and trying to be ready whenever this hits 0. So he is going to restock the fruits and you can go ahead and purchase them. You can get them for Robux right away even if they are out of stock, but it is extremely expensive. But regardless, all that you have to do is find him here, and once there is stock of a specific fruit that you would like to purchase, you just go ahead and click buy. You will be able to purchase with money, but if it is out of stock, you either have to wait until he restocks it, or you have to purchase with Robux, which can get quite expensive. You can find this NPC on various different cities and the first, second, and third sea, but this is the location for Middletown. I hope I was able to help you on how to get mythical fruit in Blox Fruits First C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.